Hi, thanks for watching this video from Bose Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our 2010 Audi TT S-Line Special Edition. So this one's just come in from quite a local owner, but he's not been a customer of ours before. So being the Special Edition, it comes with the bigger wheels, different from front bumpers, has the seats that say S-Line on them, flat bottom steering wheel as well, has the S-Line suspension on it too. So really nice car, really good service history with it. It's just been serviced prior to coming to us. It's got 12 months MOT. Did have an advisory on the back brakes, but they've just been replaced. It's got really, like I say, good service history with it. It's had the injectors done recently, all four of them. It's had a carbon clean as well. Cambelt and water pump's been done a couple of years ago. We'll put the exact dates on the advert. It's also recently just had a PCV valve and some new shocks. So all clean and tidy. Like I say, it's got both sets of keys with it and the plastic service key. Mileage now is 88238. Again, interiors really nice and clean. Standard car, no modifications, anything like that on it. And as always with all our cars, they all come with a parts and labour warranty. We do viewing by appointment only. This is just so people don't have a wasted trip. If you want to reserve a car because you can't get to us for a few days and don't want to lose it, we can reserve a car for £99. Just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.